Hi, Greenie.
I'll need to stop by the gas station. My tank is almost empty.
Oh my, look at all this trash.
What a wonderful sunny morning. But where is everyone? Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Greenie. What are you doing today, Ray? I'm going to work. Why? It's the weekend. Broken cars need to be repaired. Well, have a nice day. See you, Greenie. I wonder if the others are still sleeping. Betsy, Tony, wake up!
Hi, Greenie. Why are you shouting?
Hey, who woke me up so early? Good morning, Betsy. Good morning, Tony. Stop sleeping, guys. It's the weekend. You'll miss all the fun. I suggest going to the park.
That's a good idea.
Okay, if you're ready, let's go. I'll need to stop by the gas station. My tank is almost empty.
All right, we'll be waiting for you at the cafe.
I'm done. Ready to go?
Yeah! Oh my, look at all this trash.
It's terrible.
What are we gonna do now?
We'll have to clean it up. You're right, Greenie. And we'll need Gary's help. I'll call him. Recycling center. Hi, Gary. We really need your help.
Hi, Tony. What happened?
Someone dumped trash at the park.
That's bad. Let's go. So what are we waiting for? Let's clean it up.
Oops!
Thank you very much, Gary.
No problem, that's my job.
The park is beautiful again. Let's play hide and seek.
All right.
You hide, guys. I'll be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. I found you, Greenie.
So quickly, that's not fair.
Now, where is Tony? I found you, Tony. You're behind the tree.
It's been a long day. Time to go home. Good night, everyone. Good night.